Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and you're watching Tech.net's YouTube channel, a one-stop solution for all your tech needs. In this video, we will quickly take a look at how to check if Trusted Platform module is installed on your PC or not, and if installed, what version of it is currently running. So without any delay, let's jump right into it. First of all, you're gonna go ahead and open up the Start menu and search Run. Or you can also use the shortcut Windows R to open the run command. Now in the field named open, just type in tpm.msc. I'm repeating again, tpm.msc and click OK. It'll take a couple of seconds to execute the command, but it's worth the wait. Once the command is executed, a window opens and you can see if the TPM is installed on your PC or not. If installed, you can also check the version of TPM at the bottom of the screen as you can see here. Hope this was helpful to you. If yes, do consider subscribing to our channel and hit that like button. See you all in the next video.